In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Udemy courses. Whether you've had second thoughts about a course or encountered unexpected issues, knowing how to request a refund can save you both money and stress. Let's walk through the process together to ensure you can navigate it smoothly. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Udemy account. Make sure you're using the correct login credentials, or if you're already signed in, head straight to the home page. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice your profile picture. Go ahead and hover over it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu, giving you access to various settings and options. Once the menu is visible, you'll want to click on Purchase History. This section is where you can view all your previous transactions and purchases made on Udemy. Here, you can locate the specific course you wish to refund. Look carefully through the list. If you've purchased many courses, it may take a moment. When you find the course in question, you'll see a button labeled Request Refund just below its title. Click on that. It's important to note that if your purchase was part of a larger shopping cart, you might need to click on View All Courses to expand the list. This will ensure you can specifically select the course for which you want a refund. Once you've identified the right course, again, select Request Refund for it. Next up, you'll be presented with options for your refund method. You can choose to receive the refund back to your original payment method, like a credit or debit card, or you can opt for Udemy credits, which might be processed faster and can be used for future purchases on the platform. Take a moment to decide which option suits your needs best. After selecting your preferred refund method, you will need to provide a reason for requesting the refund. Udemy provides a few options to choose from, and there's a field where you can enter a brief description of the issue you encountered. Be as concise and clear as possible, as this description will help the support team assist you effectively. Finally, it's time to submit your request. Double-check the details you've provided to make sure everything's correct, and then click on the Submit button. Once submitted, you should receive a confirmation from Udemy, and the refund process will commence. And that's it. You've successfully requested a refund on Udemy. Remember, Udemy's policies might slightly change over time, so always keep an eye on any new updates or terms regarding refunds. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.